KGKG currently traded at 0078. Another one we have not went through before. Taking a look at this chart as a whole around here. So back over in January seems when this one really started picking up to break through that major resistance level. Yeah, look at that 6970 right there in that area. Yeah, it's going to be that 7-0 all the way across the board. So basically back in here, that's what I was watching for. Back in here, you guys can see breaking through that resistance level. Boom, becomes a support resistance again, support resistance. Look at how much it's trading between there. Gets outside of it, always right there up to that level. Boom, became a support level here as well. Right here around this area became a resistance level and plowed off of it in April. Holy cow, all the way up to 0.2. What a move up there. Yeah, that's a pretty big it's a pretty big move right there. 9 million shares traded. 1, 2, 3, really nice stair step. And then it with that almighty seller right there. And that's what happened here. You guys came down, broke through that support level at that 10-day, 20, and 30-day. Coming down here to that 7-0 mark. We're going to call it 7-0. Right here, again, playing that role. You're going to need to get through that 9-2 area for this one to really turn around again. But honestly, looking at this chart here, every time it tries to move, you guys get whacked with big time selling here. But I'm not saying it doesn't have potential. Don't take me for that. That is for sure. It definitely has that potential. Watch for the break of 0092 to turn this one bullish again. And as far as support level, you guys aren't going to have too much underneath this. At 7-0 is going to bring you guys right down to that 5-0 mark. So I'll hand this off to Joe and see what he could add in here as well.
All right, so their latest press release was on April 20th. It was Kona Gold Solutions Incorporated, a hemp lifestyle brand and exclusivity and status, has announced that the company has entered into a distribution agreement with Legendary 6 Distribution, a veteran-owned and operated distribution company based out of Sanford, North Carolina. Legendary 6 Distribution will be providing wholesale services primarily to on-premise establishments, such as bars and nightclubs in the regions of North Carolina, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. Kona Gold, who currently has other distribution deals in place and sells their popular hemp energy drinks with online retailers such as Amazon, is now branching out to the nightclub and bar scene, also known as the premise establishments. The nightclub scene is in desperate need of a premium, better tasting energy drink, and Legendary 6 Distribution is going to help us break into that sector with our premium hemp energy drinks, stated Robert Clark, CEO of Kona Gold Solutions Incorporated. Legendary 6 has the channels needed to get our premium hemp energy drinks into great clubs. They have reach into the North Carolina, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. markets, which house many top nightlife locations, and we are very excited about this new partnership. Legendary 6 has received their first bulk orders of our regular and free sugar-free hemp energy drinks, and Kona Gold is working hand in hand with them to ensure that they are successful. After evaluating Kona Gold's hemp energy drinks, we feel the combination of their strong upscale branding and great tasting hemp energy drinks will be a perfect fit for our on-premise clients, stated Wayne Chambers, owner of Legendary 6 Distribution. We look forward to helping Kona Gold expand into new markets in North Carolina, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and beyond. All right, so that's pretty much that. If you want to continue doing more due diligence on Kona Gold, just go right over to that KGKG board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on a company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. I post right over there on that Kona Gold Solutions board.
That's right over here. We're looking at that. All the news right here as well. And as far as the chart goes, 0078, watch for a break at that 9.2. Resistance going to be at the 808992. Support at 7.0 and 5.0. You guys get it close below that 7.0. There's a possibility that could bring it down to that 5.0. But more, let's just go ahead and watch for a break at that 9.2. I think that's more positive there. So again, KGKG. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like button. We'd appreciate that. Head over to investorshangout.com/live to stay up to date with all of the hot stocks that we watch. Hit that subscribe button.